This is the RQ-4 Global Hawk. The RQ-4 Global Hawk is an advanced unmanned aerial vehicle or UAV developed by Northrop Grumman for the United States Air Force. It is a high-altitude, long-endurance surveillance platform designed to provide persistent intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance capabilities. The development of the RQ-4 Global Hawk began in the late 1990s, with the first flight taking place in 1998. The aircraft was specifically designed to meet the need for a long-range, high-altitude ISR platform that could conduct surveillance missions for extended periods of time. The Global Hawk is equipped with a variety of advanced sensors, including synthetic aperture radar, electro-optical or infrared cameras, and signals intelligence systems. These sensors enable the Global Hawk to gather high-resolution imagery, collect signals intelligence, and monitor communications and radar activities from a safe distance. The Global Hawk has a wingspan of over 130 feet and can fly at altitudes of up to 60,000 feet. It is powered by a single jet engine and has a maximum endurance of more than 30 hours, allowing it to cover vast areas and provide continuous surveillance over targets of interest. Due to its long-range capabilities, the RQ-4 Global Hawk has been widely used by the USAF for various missions, including intelligence gathering, surveillance of potential threats, monitoring of hostile territories, and supporting military operations worldwide. The RQ-4 Global Hawk is an advanced unmanned aerial vehicle that offers exceptional long-range aerial reconnaissance and surveillance capabilities. Its design and capabilities make it a valuable asset for gathering intelligence in various operational environments. The Global Hawk has an impressive range of over 12,000 nautical miles, allowing it to conduct missions over vast areas of interest. This long-range capability enables it to operate in regions that are distant from traditional military bases or in areas that may be inaccessible due to political or geographical constraints. With its ability to stay aloft for up to 30 hours, the Global Hawk offers extended mission durations compared to manned aircraft. This long endurance allows it to provide persistent surveillance over a target area, enabling continuous monitoring and the collection of valuable intelligence over an extended period. The Global Hawk is capable of autonomous operations, relying on pre-programmed flight paths and automated systems to conduct missions. This autonomy reduces the need for constant operator intervention, allowing personnel to focus on data analysis and mission planning. Overall, the Global Hawk's long-range aerial reconnaissance and surveillance capabilities make it a highly effective platform for gathering intelligence in a wide range of scenarios. The RQ-4 Global Hawk is used by various countries and agencies worldwide for a range of operational purposes. Some notable users of the Global Hawk include the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, or NASA. NASA uses the Global Hawk for scientific research missions, particularly in the fields of atmospheric research, climate studies, and environmental monitoring. Its long-range capabilities and endurance make it well-suited for collecting data in remote areas. North Atlantic Treaty Organization, or NATO. NATO member countries such as Germany, Italy, and the United Kingdom have acquired Global Hawk systems to enhance their ISR capabilities. The aircraft supports NATO missions by providing valuable intelligence and monitoring data. Republic of Korea Air Force, or ROKAF. The ROKAF uses the Global Hawk for intelligence gathering along the Korean Peninsula, enhancing their situational understanding and intelligence capabilities in the region. The Japan Air Self-Defense Force, or JASDF. The JASDF utilizes the Global Hawk for monitoring missions in the East China Sea and other critical areas. The aircraft helps monitor and track potential threats and provides vital intelligence to support Japan's defense strategy. The Royal Australian Air Force, or RAAF. The RAAF operates the Global Hawk as part of their surveillance and reconnaissance capabilities. The aircraft provides enhanced intelligence gathering capabilities to Australia and contributes to regional security efforts. These are just a few examples of the countries and agencies that use the RQ-4 Global Hawk. Its long endurance, high-altitude capabilities, and advanced sensors make it a valuable asset for intelligence gathering, surveillance, and reconnaissance worldwide. Thank you for joining me on this journey. And remember to hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to stay tuned for more exciting content.